Let this circle represent $1 million, what many Americans dream of for retirement. But did you know that most Americans don't even have $100,000 saved? Now this is what $10 million would look like, already out of reach for most. Here is how $100 million would look like. And this is what $1 billion would look like. Elon Musk's net worth is $425 billion. And I will show you exactly how your net worth stack up by your age and how to close that gap faster than you think. The Federal Reserve releases information about your net worth every 3 years. Whether you are under the age of 35, just building up your career, or whether you are in the age range of 45 to 54, climbing up the career ranks in the management, or you are about 65, retired and chilling somewhere in Florida. Today, we are going to cover your average and median net worth for all these groups. Now, first of all, what is net worth? Net worth is what you own minus what you owe. Say if you have a home worth $600,000 and a car worth $50,000 and a stock investment worth $40,000. So that is 600 plus 50 plus 40, that is $690,000. Is that your net worth? No, because, well, if you have paid off everything and all of this is what you own, then that is your net worth of $690,000. But if you have a mortgage left of $300,000 in your house, and if you still have $30,000 in your car debt, so that is going to be 300 plus 30 is 330. So $690,000 is what you own and $330,000 is what you owe. So the difference is $360,000. That would be your net worth. Now, as you understand what is net worth, let's see which one makes more sense, average net worth or median net worth. If all these men have an individual net worth of $100,000 each, and the tall guy who is an outlier, if his net worth is $24 billion, the average net worth for each individual in this group would be $2 billion, which is really far away from individual net worth. Ideally, it should be just around $100,000. That's why the average net worth is always skewed by the outliers and is not a true representation of the individual wealth. That's why median net worth is a better metric to pay attention to. Median is the middle value in a dataset when it is ordered from smallest to largest. Here it will be between the 6th and 7th person, so that will be around $100,000, which will be accurate. Now, as you understand the basics, let's break it down by the age groups. For the age group less than 35, the average net worth is $183,000. In the year 2019, their net worth was $88,000. But boy, it jumped in just 3 years. It almost doubled in 3 years from 2019 to 2022. It doubled from $88,000 to $183,000. The key reason for that growth was the stock market boom, the pandemic stimulus and saving boost, and the millennials and Gen Z who come under this group took really good advantage of the record low mortgage rates, and they instantly saw the appreciation in the real estate. Comparatively, the net worth is low for this group because most people in this age group are starting off their career, paying off their student loan, and they don't have much in savings and investment. If you are in this age group, don't panic. This is the foundation stage where you should be focusing on saving, investing, and paying off your debt. If you are 25-year-old, just investing $265 per month in the S&P 500, which returns 10% every year, that's what it has been returning for the last 100 years, you will be millionaire by the age of 60. That's the power of compounding, and time is on your side. So you should start investing right now. For the age 35 to 44, the average net worth is $548,000 and a median net worth is $135,000. This is the stage where income typically rise, people start buying homes and build equity in the house. It is the stage where retirement planning kicks in. If you haven't started yet, now is the time to open your retirement account and start contributing towards your 401k and Roth IRAs regularly. The biggest mistake I see in this age group is they get very active managing their passive investments and they get very passive in their career. They will be very curious about which stock to buy, which crypto to buy, how to do F&O trading, how to quickly double their money. They'll put all their efforts knowing about these things and learning about these things. But they will not make much efforts to climb the career ranks, acquiring new skills, networking in your area, creating a new source of income. Get active with your income. Try to build multiple sources of income. Acquire learn new skills, and increase your value. And let's be passive with your investments. A simple dollar cost averaging in index funds and ETFs will go a long way. That's how you build wealth. That's how I was able to be financially independent and retired early. In the age group 45 to 54, the average net worth is $971,000 and the median net worth is $247,000. As you know, many people are hitting their peak earning years during this time. They're paying off their mortgages and they're also seeing investment grow. The real effect of compounding will show during this age because you have been investing for quite some time. But watch out for the lifestyle creep. As income grows, you might be tempted to try the keep up with the Jones by moving into bigger house, joining a new country club, buying exotic cars, or going on a lavish vacations. It may be okay to enjoy the fruit of your labor, but keeping expenditures like this in check may go a long way towards building your net worth during this stage of the life. Make sure you're following the 70-20-10 rule used by the top 1% to manage your money. I have done a detailed analysis about this topic right here. Make sure you're maxing out your retirement contributions and diversifying your portfolio. Because if you play your cards right, your early retirement might not be too far ahead. For the age group 55 to 64, the average net worth is $1.56 million and the median net worth is $364,000. This phase of life marks the beginning of the stretch run towards your retirement for many people. People are paying off their mortgages and cutting expenses. Downsizing homes and reducing costs can free up more cash for your retirement account. Most likely your kids are out of college now. Make sure your will and trust is in place, and since retirement is on the horizon, give it a thought about what you plan to do after your retirement. Get back to the hobby you left. Pick up that tennis racket or start strumming the guitar once again. Make sure you have a solid retirement plan ready, and this is the time to re-evaluate your asset allocation plan. For the age 65 to 74, the average net worth is $1.8 million and the median net worth is $410,000. This group is typically retired or semi-retired, and the focus shifts towards withdrawing from investment while maintaining financial stability. Healthcare costs start creeping up, so having a plan for medical expenses is critical. Also, focus on keeping your money working for you through dividends and other passive income stream. You should strive hard not to fall into the median $410,000 net worth, because if you do that and if you apply the 4% withdrawal rule, you will be able to withdraw only $16,000 per year. And with social security income around $22,000 to $24,000 per year, that will be 24 plus 16, that will be $40,000 per year. Would that be enough? Of course, it depends on what kind of lifestyle you want to live. But if that sounds too low, you'll have to start your investment journey sooner. Time is the most important factor in compounding, and if it is on your side, you make sure you use it to your advantage. Because the person who is going to take care of old you is the young you. Ages 75 and older. The average net worth for this group is $1.6 million and the median net worth is $334,000. As many people start drawing down their savings to fund their retirement, for the first time the average and the median net worth start declining. This isn't a bad thing. After all, the goal is to enjoy your money while still being financially secure. Smart budgeting and planning will ensure that you will not outlive your money. And if you want to pass on the wealth to the next generation, it's time to take action. Net worth is more than just a number. It's a tool to track your progress and set financial goals, whether you're just starting out or near your retirement. The key to build wealth is consistency. Pay off debt, invest early, and keep the expenses low. I wish I knew these secrets in my 20s and 30s, which I have talked about it in this video. After implementing these secrets, I was able to be financially free and retired early. Your fired friend Sushant, signing off.